How to save photos from Fiverr to your phone's gallery on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. And without further ado, let's begin. First, open the Fiverr app on your Android device. Make sure to log into your account. Now navigate to More icon at bottom right corner. And then you need to tap Setting to access the setting menu. Here you see different options, select media. And here you will get the option to auto-download media over mobile network and auto-download media when connected to Wi-Fi. Simply you need to check mark the both option and the main option is save to gallery. You need to make sure to check mark that option as well. This will allow Fiverr to automatically save media to your gallery. So whenever you receive any photo or video, it will directly shape to your gallery when connected to mobile network or Wi-Fi. And with this, you will successfully save the photos from Fiverr to your phone gallery on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.